I'm doing some work on my rocket heater in my workshop. In fact, I'm actually removing the bench because it's unnecessary in this space and just keeping the main core. But this is the first time I've actually opened it in the 6 years that I have had it, and the truth is it's not run as a full-time heater, it's run as a part-time heater. And in the winter I'll run it most days in the winter time, just for an hour or so, just to keep the temperature in. But what I wanted to show was the actual the ash inside. So I've just cracked open this clay paver off the top and we can have a look. I did have a sneak peek before. Okay. Okay. So let's go in this way. First down the bench. So there's really not very much. All that lump stuff is actually clay. So there's just a couple of millimeters of soot. You can see on the walls. Yeah, I mean it's not even a millimeter. Now in there, you can see there's quite a lot of ash. I'm going to get to that in a bit. Just scoop it out because I'm going to remove this whole thing, this whole bench. Yeah, there's quite a lot of ash in there, but I mean it hasn't impeded the heater. I'd say, you know, there's maybe 100 mil on the edges. 100. 120, 130, I can see it's like 2 bricks high on the edges, and in the middle not much. So I'll see when I scoop it out. I'll scoop it out into a bucket and I can measure it. But this is, yeah, 6 years it's been going. The bench has gone. We'll have to brick that up tomorrow and re-render. And I had a bit of a hard time getting this ash out, I have to say. If you could see me, I'm absolutely black. Anyway, I don't know if it's a 20 litre bucket. It looks a bit smaller than a 20 litre bucket. Let's say it's a 20 litre bucket, don't really care. It's a quarter full, so absolute maximum is 5 litres of ash. So there you go, a litre a year pretty much. Bugger all.